Okay, announcing the arrival of the madams. Yes. Doon ka na sa harapan, Madam Mayan. Kasi mag-video ako. Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, Shajan. I'm taking a video. It's a morning. It's a morning. It's a morning. Kasi talaga dapat ng English. It's a morning. It's Friday.
Did you take your medicine?
Yeah. I did not take my medicine again. Oh my gosh. Thank you for coming to pick us up. Kung tatama ko yung English ko. Ito naman yung ano ni Madam May. Pakita mo yung ano mo, yung pearls mo. Ano? Charm. Ganito yung kuha lang. Ano, tinuruan na ako ni Madam Angela kung paano gumo. Ayun. Ayan, ganyan pala, Diyos mio. Isang taon bago, kailangan ko lang talaga magdididikit sa
mga
Gen Z. Gen Z, ganun lang pala guys. Oh guys, ayun. Bye, mamaya na ulit. Good morning, Sajan again. Good morning.